Hello and welcome back to Cam's Classics. We're here today at the Cabelas Lehi K9 car show. Mouthful there, but it is a fundraiser for the Lehi K9s for the police department. They're doing some demonstrations and stuff, but we're here for the car show. We did bring the Oldsmobile 442. We'll be sure to add that in, but I'm going to start here with the Nissan. This is a 1969 Nissan Patrol.
Full service, also to give away with the $100 gift certificate to checker flag here at Lehi. This winner is a red ticket.
So, windshield folds down. Here we've got defrosters. A lot of levers for shifting. Nissan version of the Jeep. Kind of looks like a Toyota Land Cruiser to me, but or Land Rovers. But I've never seen one before, so I thought we'd bring that to you. So we have another unique one here, 1955 Buick Special. Love the color combination.
Okay. Oh, Dakota, congratulations. All right, we have car number 105. And you know what? Here's our fourth one, the same price. It's a $100 auto repair, a checker flag, and also a full service car wash at Fabulous Freddy's down the street here at Lehi.
Just a really nice car. Really like that one. So this one's not really special, or it's kind of just a normal one, but it's really well done. I do like it. It's a 1968 Jeep CJ5.
Yeah, we have two winners from the Porsche. Okay, and they took off. Okay, we'll figure it out. If they did, we'll just go ahead and redraw. Okay, we'll just announce it the next half hour. If they don't come, we'll just give them out. All right, sounds good. Yeah, let's be present to win, guys. Okay, there we go. We got one more. Okay, we'll give them out. Okay, we have over 1,000.
So just a really nice Jeep.
Congratulations.
Here's one I've never seen before. 1966 Olds 442, and yes, this is ours.
Here we go, guys. Oh, Casey. Oh, is it Casey or Lacey? It might be Casey or Lacey.
Gizmo holding the sign.
Casey taken care of.
Sloppy driving.
Two more, the checker flag. Yes, or three more. All right, okay, the winning ticket. It looks like the same car number, 92. It's a red ticket. Car number 92. Okay.
Love the vinyl top on it.
It's a red ticket, and the last four is 5110. So it's 465110. I have a car number, but
Oldsmobile gold on the engine. I kind of wish I'd never seen this car, but it's been a work of love. So, thanks. Hope you enjoy this one.
Is it plat? It looks like
so here we have a 52 Chevy.
White ticket, 7138 is the last four digits. So Mark, come on up here if you can hear me anyway. We'll save these tickets for like an hour, and then at the end, there's like 3 or 4 that haven't.
Yeah, we'll leave them up at the end. Give them a chance to play. Mark Pratt, we know you're here. If you're here, come on up. You got to try.
So, Oakwood bed. Hope you enjoy it. We got a 66 C10 Pennell truck. Well, hopefully you can see this. There's a little bit of a pinstripe on there. I do really like that. Solid steel wheels. Just a really well done little panel truck. So I don't usually do the normal cars, but we're going to do this one because this is one I do really want. It's a 1967 Ford Mustang GT Fastback. Kind of a dark blue gray. Do love the fastbacks. Here we have a 31 rat rod, and as I said, make sure and take the. I'll try and show you as much detail as I can, but there's a lot of detail on this one.
Was not working. I don't forgive me. I was trying to make it out of copper.
I mean, it looks cool.
Yeah, I should have welded a copper one. Did you see that?
That's gotta be the most uncomfortable front seat to sit in. How long did it take you to figure out my seatbelts and these?
So there's I ordered number 8. And I probably honestly feel I'm on this.
So again, when you're looking at these, they're all about the detail. Here we have a 49 white Mustang. Again, love the hood ornaments.
Is that the hardest part?
6 weeks. Comes under Dakota, he can get it from me. Yeah, I'm down, bro.
3 months to get it running, right? Yes. And I have a video.
I go there like, my real name's Reed, my middle name's John. People call me John, RJ.
All at the same time. Everyone's like a good
Prove it, Dad. Prove it.
Just a neat old semi.
You have one.
Here's a 1954 Hudson Wasp.
So is it just the rear brakes?
So it's actually an internal.
Okay.
So inside the transmission tracks, so there's a brake and squeeze that drum and stop.
Once I fix all those scratches, then
Carburetor.
Yep, it'll be awesome. Yeah, keep dust out of it. I haven't.
Just not one you see every day. Here we have a 1953 Ford F100. Love the color. Fired by an SVT. Supercharged. Got a nice 5-speed in it. Very nice truck. Here we have a 1978 Dodge Warlock.
We've got another demo coming up, so come on up, gather around. This will probably be the last one of the day. Come on around.
So if you know, very similar to the Dodge Little Red Express, but this one's the Warlock. So here we have a 67 Mustang. I'm gonna let Jenna tell you her favorite part and then I'll show it to you.
I just absolutely love this color. I would love something in this.
Here's another fastback. So I tend to disagree. I do not like that color, but I do like yellow. There are certain yellows that work. Most yellows do not. So here we have a 68 Mustang convertible. Just love this color combination. It's very well done. Love this car. It's the other Mustang I want. The difference is I want a 65 or 66, so I can do the pony interior. That's the right color combination, the right stripes, the right color combination for me. That's exactly what I want. Here we have a 72 Datsun 510. All 4 cylinders. So it turns out the owner of this is from the town right next door to the town where I grew up, and got talking about it. I think he said this car come out of Midway, Utah about 70 days ago, and here it is running and at the show. Hey, I'm gonna show you this. One of these things is not like the others. '68. '68 Camaro. '69 Stingray. 72, 70. So we have a Camaro being an imposter in the middle of the Corvettes.
5 seconds.
So here's
here.
a 1967
All right,
Firebird.
and point to a prize. And we got some great giveaways to give away. Who's going to be the... oh, I'll wait. You know what? I'll give you
A
one.
very nice airbrushed fire chicken on the hood. 1967, you could have got this car for $3,253.
All right, I'm going to wait about 60 seconds because we have
92 cents.
going in the hopper. So, yeah, come get some great, or enter to win some really great prizes here. You know, the average price
So,
here now is about $100 to $200.
Nice car.
To $300.
32
And
Ford.
who wants to be the official ticket picker?
Chevrolet small block.
The ticket picker upper. All right, here we go, guys. I'm going to read off the information here. All right, this one is a red ticket, and it looks like car number 104.
Some nice snakeskin interior. So we showed you one panel wagon. Here's another one that's probably a little more recognizable.
Oh, okay. He's your boy. Okay, your boyfriend's son. That's the same. All right, well, good job. Congratulations, by the way. Okay, you can throw that to the way. We still have car number 102 to come and get your prize.
So it's Gravedigger Monster Jam. Let me show you real close. They actually do have the detail. If you've never seen the Gravedigger up close, it does have these.
Right now, the second one. Why don't we give away these binoculars from Triumph? They're heavy duty.
So as they beat cars, the other monster trucks, each one got their own tombstone on the Gravedigger if you've ever seen it in person. Here we have 59 Impala.
Company, put hot coffee or an ice cold drink in this. And right now, your ticket number is, all right, it's a red ticket this time. Was it Lisa MacArthur, car number 27? Car number 27. And I think there was a David too, but Lisa and David MacArthur.
Continental kit.
Come on up, car number 27.
Just a neat car. Here we have a 1969 Subaru van. Looks like it's still a project in progress.
You're hiding that shade behind that little lawn chair of shade. Shade from the 90s, right from the 92. All right, congratulations, Jackie. All right. Let's see. Is that, you know what, let's just do one more. I've been doing like 5 prizes.
So that one's kind of a neat one. Okay, so this one's going to seem kind of familiar. It is a British car. But if you've ever seen the Shelby Cobras, this is where he kind of got the idea. This is a 1965 Sunbeam Tiger. The nose, Ford V8. And John and Blaine, we're giving away a nice Rockin' Hot Rod Productions. And this will come in handy today. So this is one of those that kind of was the kickoff for Carroll Shelby, and I believe it was AC that finally was building his bodies. Also a British company that was building the bodies for the Cobras, but this is one of those cars that if you can't afford a Cobra, you can afford one of these. So we're going to end our show here with two old Fords. So this one's a 23 T-Bucket.
Please drink it, because sometimes people get a little lightheaded at our shows, and you get a little dizzy. So don't let that happen. Get some nice water here. Thanks, guys. Go ahead and crank the music there, Blaine.
All right, we got it. But we got awards coming up in an hour, so stick around for that. Spectators, look, but do not touch.
Here we have a 32 Coupe. Two nice full Fords. Hey, so here we are, end of the show. It's a pretty good show. We're here in front of a Chevy that's got a Vortec 6.0 in it. Square body, pretty nice truck. We'll show you that as we exit out. What did you think of the show though?
Great show, great cars as always. These are usually turn out pretty good. I'm just across the way from that yellow little Mustang. That pretty partial to that one.
So, yellow Mustang? No, thanks. But maybe if she has her own money.
And it has a roll cage welded into the inside. Okay, so we're gonna keep it on. It'll be. That's what it's made for. That's cool. That's cool. But the Jimmy on the other hand, that's gonna be.
So, nice little square body. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.